To create a visualization with SQL, select Manage Visuals. Click on the Add New button. Choose Freehand SQL and type a SQL command in the input box. It is important to note that the user should know how to write SQL to use this function. Let me write a simple SQL and execute it. The output of the SQL comes in a tabular format. You can change the SQL to get more information. For example, I can get the supplier name by joining it with the supplier table. To visualize the data, click on the column list. It will show columns selected in SQL. You can choose your preferred visualization type. Here we are using a pie chart. The folder structure will change as per the requirement of a pie chart. Drag and drop the column you would like to visualize to see the output. You can also change the column heading as the column name in SQL is not very user-friendly. Add a description to your visual before clicking Save.